Hey there, welcome to Drew Bentley Guitar. Today we're going to take a look at Bruno Mars' Treasure. The song is really fun to play, lots of cool chords. Let's take a look. So we're starting off with this A major 7 chord. Looks like this. First finger on D6, and you borrow your third finger across the G, the B, and the high E string on the 8th fret. Move down 1 fret. Now we have a minor 7 chord. The whole chord looks like this. But with this verse part of the song, I'm just doing these 3 strings only. So it's the D, G, and B strings only. D5, G7, and B6 like this. Drop down 2 frets, this F minor 7 chord here. So it's here, here, and here. This is the 4 chord in the key of E flat, that's the 3 chord, and that's the 2 chord. So the song goes like... Next in line is this C minor 7 chord. Borrow your first finger from the A string down on the 3rd fret, 3rd finger on D5, and 2nd finger on B4. That's the 6th chord in the key of E flat. So it sounds like this. Picks up those 2 chords at the end there. So A flat major 7, A flat, G minor 7 to F minor 7, F minor 7, back to A flat major 7, G minor 7, again C minor 7, and A flat, and then G minor 7. It's a great progression. Okay, so then that quick little turnaround, again, back to this chord I played at the beginning of the piece. This is an A flat, add 9. I could play it up here, be a little easier actually, but the song sounds like the guitar player is playing it here. It's a little bit of a fatter timbre. It's 3rd finger on A11, 2nd finger D10, 1st finger G8, and your 4th finger up here in high B11. So it looks like a C form of the Cade system, but we're leading off the 3rd finger instead. So it goes like the first turnaround is going to be da da ga ga da ga da da ga ga da ga da ga da. And it kind of toggles in between. Sometimes the turnaround goes like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So every other time it's the busy turnaround, and it's the not busy turnaround. We'll get to that in a second. So when you're playing this verse part, you have to stay within the boundary of the D, then the G, and the B strings when you do this. It's a little tricky picking going on because I'm kind of going like... There's definitely some little skippy hoppy things like that. So I'm going like chick down, up through the chord. And then again, this turnaround, the first one's busy. Now the chorus of the song, we have the same chords but different voicings. This time, the guitar player grabs the B string as well, and that's so cool. Makes the chorus bigger. Here's A flat major 7 up here instead. It's an A form. We have A11, D13, G12, and B13. It's out of the A form of the Cade system. It looks like this. And it drops down to G minor 7 here. This is like an A minor 7 up here. So it's A minor form. Take off your little finger. And again, the middle 4 strings this time. Here to here. Then down to F minor 7. It's the same thing, 2 frets lower. So we have treasure. And the same pattern happens here. This time, that's the C minor 7 we're going to grab. 3rd finger bars from the D string down on the 8th fret. Put your 2nd finger on low E8. So it's the same chord as this. It's the different voicing because you get more notes involved. So this chorus part So it's the same pattern, just different voicings of the chord. Again, A flat major 7, A flat major 7, G minor 7, F minor 7, F minor 7, back up to A flat minor 7, G minor 7, G minor 7 again, and then C minor 7. A flat major 7, G minor 7. And then the turnaround after the chorus is going to be the one that's not busy. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's take a look at these chords again we're going to use for this piece. The first one that I started with, where the turnaround of the song happens, is A flat add 9, and it's A11, D10, G8, and B11. Kind of get used to doing that one. That's an important chord to learn, add 9, but it's kind of hard to grab that quickly. This guy looks like this. Now we recognize that form. Play your bar chords, all the bar chords you've always played. Same thing, just one string closer to the floor. It looks like this, barring this finger, but only strum 3 strings. Move that bar down and add your second finger, and move the bar down and add your second finger. And then this chord is the next one we hit. It's A minor form without the G string. So it's a minor 7. The chorus, A flat major 7, this time adding the B string. So it looks like an A bar chord that you know. But we're playing the G string also. A major 7 is down here like this. It's off of that form. Down to G minor 7, F minor 7. And then this configuration of C minor 7. You bar your third finger from the D string down across all 6 strings, or 4 strings. Wrap this guy up here like this, and then finish off the phrase with this. Strumming is like... It's a very lively strumming pattern. That's a trick right there. That's the thing you got to be able to do. Like, now on the recording, it only does that a couple of times. Mostly it's just straight. When I play this live, I end up being a little too busy with it. Like, it's really fun to funk out on this and go crazy with your right hand, so I tend to overplay those tick-a-tick-ats in between the chords. But on the recording, it's not as busy as I might want to play it live. So the song structure goes, starts with the intro, and then we have the verse, which is this, that part. And then we have the turnaround, the busy one. That's down, up, down, up, down. And again, down, up, down, up, down. Then we have the chorus, which is using these chords. And then we have the turnaround again. It's not busy. Just go 1, 2, 3. Actually, this kind of lower strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, that's down, up, down, up, down. Back into the verse again. And then the busy turnaround. Another chorus. And then another turnaround, it's not busy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's a breakdown section where everything kind of breaks down, and the guitar's sort of featured in that part. That's really fun. So everything kind of drops out, and you have the chorus guitar going on. And then there's another kind of busy turnaround. Another chorus. And then the not busy turnaround, 2, 3, 4. And then just fades out the verse chords. So there's really like 4 things to learn to piece this song together. This chord, this A flat add 9, and to be able to go la da 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 da, let go of the pressure. That's where it starts. The verse chords again, this A flat major 7, G minor 7 to F minor 7. And C minor's here, minor 7. The first turnaround is busy, and that's going to be like down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down. During the chorus, we play the A flat major 7, which includes the B string up here. And then this C minor 7 chord, and then this 2 chords, then the not busy turnaround. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm learning these songs, I'm always thinking about like those little nuanced differences. After the verse, it's the busy turnaround, and after the chorus, it's the not busy turnaround. So you can kind of keep that in your mind when you're practicing doing this. So there's only a few sections of the song to piece together. Once you learn these chords, it's an awful lot of fun. When the counts are like 1, 2, 3, and so it's a lot of syncopation. I wouldn't even try to get into counting this too much because I think it's going to make it harder for you. Just kind of feel it out. 1, 2, and 3, and it's all on the upbeat. See? So, all right, so that's a look at Treasure, Bruno Mars. What a great song. He's got so many good songs. That guy is a really a great songwriter for this generation. I appreciate his music a lot and play this in a lot of weddings, and ends up being a song we play a lot. So I like the song. Thanks so much for checking out the lesson. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I'll catch you at the next lesson.